This, I don't know. And I was not, okay, this is a gigantic moth dragging a gigantic wasp dragging around an equally gigantic beetle or moth or something up a tree. It seems to be, well, humping it, but I don't know if it's laying eggs inside or what it's doing. I don't know. It must know that the thing is dead. I mean, not that it's fully conscious. It's enormous and kind of cool looking. I watched the wasp drag the moth right side up down the street. So when I first saw it, it looked like one huge uber insect, which I guess it still does. And then the wasp flew around independently for a minute, and then it came back, flipped the moth or beetle or whatever upside down, and started doing this dance with it, this little humping action. And then it started dragging it up the tree. So it appears that right now the wasp is only hanging onto the tree with one foot, and the rest of its feet are occupied in holding the larger moth. So if anyone out there knows what this thing is or what's going on, you can go ahead and tell me. I'm in Bronx, New York, and it's a little bit of nature in the city. Putting my hand on the tree so you can have like a frame of reference for size, although I have tiny hands. This is just kind of crazy looking. This thing is, just incredibly large and clearly incredibly strong, and I'm so impressed. I don't know, once it's done with this beetle, I don't know how it's going to keep the beetle in the tree, because it seems like the beetle would just drop. The more I say beetle, the more I'm convinced it's a moth. As I've said, I used to be more knowledgeable about entomology than I am now, but I gotta go off to a meeting, so I can't stay with these two lovelies anymore. This is just very cool.